everyone, Melissa here. Today is the day. It's My Creative Time's 157th edition release. So everything that we showcased yesterday will be available for purchase today. And remember, this is her Black Friday release. So there is a tier discount and it will be down below in the description box as a reminder if you need it. These codes will be valid this morning starting at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and will end this Friday at midnight Pacific Standard Time. And so you'll have a chance to get your orders in, and then after midnight it goes back to using our codes for 10% off your total purchase. My code is MOE if you'd like to use that, or any of the other designers. Okay, and as a recap, I am going to show you the products that she's releasing today, and if you'd like more detail, just revert back to the video I shared yesterday. So we have the Merry and Bright Penguins ephemera. These are adorable. The gift card pocket die, and there's 5 in that set. The gift card slider dies. I love this release. And then the winter greeting stamp and dies. So hopefully you can see those. And the gift card sentiment stamp and dies. And then I made two projects that I'm going to share with you today, and we'll do a recap of the items that I showed yesterday. And you can go shopping. Oh, and make sure you visit all of the other ladies. Leave a comment on each channel because today is the hop for YouTube and Instagram. So you have to leave a comment on each person's video, as well as be 18 years old or older. And I think that's it. If not, I'll leave it down below in the description box. Okay, so today I'm using the Christmas Gingers ephemera, the Holly Plate die, the cute bow dies. Actually, no, it's the trio cute bow dies, and I'm using this one today. And then the paper, I'm using this here. And here we go. I thought I would give you another couple ideas to get the most bang out of your buck. And I thought I would show you that I use that slider die without the slider attachment to it. So you can definitely use this as an A2 card, and it is a top folding card if you'd like to try that. And you just stick that gift card right behind the little guy or one of the penguins, and it does slide out. And like I said yesterday, just make sure you put the gift card in first before you put the top layer on, so you won't have any problems sliding it in, and you can see what you're doing there. But I love how this turned out. There goes that holly leaf that I put on his little head. I did stickle him up, and I also added some glossy accents on his eyes, and I also stickled that little sign there that says Merry Christmas. And then the inside is like that. And then for the pocket card, I made it actually into a card. And so what you can do is, if you didn't want to use that, well, let me show you. If you didn't want to use the top part as your card holder, you can actually pop it in the inside and use it this way as well. And just pop it right in there, pretty simple. Or you can even pop money in the inside of there. And I did leave this open, so I can pop money there too. So you can have pockets everywhere on this little pocket die for a little bit of a surprise for the recipients. But really, really cute. Love, love, love this release. It's so adorable. So let's do a recap of what she released also yesterday. Oops, that's a little blinding there. So we'll put that there. So also with the pocket, that pocket die, I also made a treat box, really cute, as well as this little pocket card, and that's adorable. This has got to be my favorite. She is just adorable. And then You Warm My Heart came from that Winter Greetings, and these little hearts came from the actual pocket die, the little pocket add-ons. Those little buttons. The little heart came out of those. And then I also added that bow there, and that's my gift card holder there. And this actually comes out, so that's a good way to gift some items there. And here goes that slider card that I created yesterday. And this has pull here, and that came from the gift card sentiments there. And just pull that out. And this one's the Winter Greetings there. But adorable. Love that. It's let's pop that there. And here goes another card that I made. Oops, sorry for hitting that, but super cute. This came out of the ephemera pack, and I just popped that scallop tag on there, and those tags are back in stock. And I want to say this is made the same as, yes, as the other one. These layers, this layer right here is the layer that comes off the slider, what I use for the top and the bottom, and also the inside of that one, and the back layer for that little gingerbread. But adorable. And then I made a few tags. And 2 more tags using the layer from the slider card. So I hope you have enjoyed everything that I created. Make sure you get to go shopping and get what you want for a Black Friday release over at My Creative Time. Make sure you use the tier code, which will be down below. After midnight tomorrow, it reverts back to all of the designers' codes. Mine is MOE if you like to use that. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Have fun shopping.